Techman here. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of highlighting text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin by opening your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, I already have a screenshot picture on my timeline. Let's say I want to highlight the first sentence in the text over here. Head to the pen tool over here and select the rectangle option. Now drag the rectangle over the text you want to highlight. After that, go to the effects control on the left side of your screen. Open your shape settings over here. Now you can see the fill option. Select the color you want for your highlight. In my case, let's select this green one. Click OK once done. Then scroll down and locate opacity settings. Under opacity, you will see this blend mode. Click the options beside it. On the drop-down, select multiply. By following the steps, you can effectively highlight text in Adobe Premiere Pro, making your videos more engaging and informative. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.